What's going on, YouTube gardeners? It's your boy Sydney from the Naked Gardener channel, about to show y'all a cheap and easy way to do some raised beds. We're at Home Depot and putting in the last raised beds for Pop's fourth raised bed garden that we gave him. Stay tuned. So we're at Home Depot. We got these 2x8 by 8 foot. Got two of them, so they're roughly about $9 each. So far that's $18. But we got military discount, so it's gonna be cheaper than that. So now we just gotta find someone to cut it for us. So we're back from Home Depot. We got the wood and we got the bags of dirt. All of that was under roughly about 50 bucks. For a starter, good size starter garden, you can either do a 4x4, 3x6, 2x6. You want to keep it under a 20 square foot raised area, or garden area, I would say square foot area. We got two boards, $18. Had Home Depot cut it for us. For each bag of garden soil, raised garden soil mix, it was, I think it was like roughly about $7 a piece. So as you can see, you can build this under 50 bucks just to start you off. And now I'm going to show you how to construct it.
Just like y'all know.
We got the bed in, we got the plywood underneath there. Make sure there was no tape or anything around it. Got it leveled. Now we're just going to put mulch all the way around it. So this is just an easy, quick way to do a starter raised bed. You can do this in a quick 2-hour morning of your day on the weekend, just to get started going for this spring. Now what we're going to do is going to start some seedlings that we planted for Dad, and we're going to transplant them into raised beds. So we just finished transplanting seeds that we started last month at the Naked Garden Ranch, I guess you can say, to my dad's area. These beds right there and those back beds are the ones that we gave from our first year of full gardening. And then we got some tomatoes and some squash right there, and peas around the tomatoes. One of our Instagram friends asked us, or was seeing if we knew anything about the three sister method, which is basically squash and tomatoes and peas or beans growing together. The peas and the beans feed the soil a particular nitrogen, which helps them thrive, and they are not a heavy feeder as the squash and tomato plants. So I'm going to do a test piece in Pop's garden to see how this turns out. If his starting to thrive, I'm going to make a test portion of the garden for our area. But we have a lot of stuff in here. We got in the back area here, we got some cucumbers, we got some echinacea, and we also have some peas in the back, broccoli, some collard greens, and where those spikes are at, those are the eggplants. And in the front we have cabbage and collard greens and some more dragon tongue beans. In that front, that's the new bed that we just built for him. And we have cauliflower, several types of lettuces, another eggplant back there, and some kale and mustard greens. And in the back there where you see that tomato cage, we have an atomic grape tomato. We have some onions, some squash in the far right there, and I forgot what else is over there. Well, thank y'all for watching, and as always, we'll see y'all in the next video, and let's continue to grow together.